Are you looking for a new job? Maybe considering a whole change of career? Well, the LinkedIn salary option gives you some great insight into the kinds of rewards you can expect for the job that you do. Here's how it works. So go to the work section, click on the drop down and then select salary. You'll find a simple search bar with job title and location. So if I'm going to use an example, let's say social media manager, and you see what comes up in the results. Marketing manager, and let's say Nottingham, UK, and I'll click search. So in this case, nothing's been found locally, but there's certainly one for UK there. So if I change that to United Kingdom, you can see the results there. So we'll say get started. So we've got a base salary in your local currency. And then you're asked to complete some information about the role, so let's say that. And complete there. So yeah, this is one of the first people to contribute. So I'm not going to share this now, but if we return now and just have a look at some of the existing data there, so you can get a detailed picture. If I say see more insights, this is just showing an example there. And some additional benefits and some certain businesses where you can see what the salaries they're getting. You can search by different sizes of company, education, look for similar jobs. And another search here, I've done social media manager UK, and you can also filter by different industries, so media and communications, years of experience, 1 to 5 years only, or all years of experience. Try another sector, software and IT. Yeah, so fairly consistent numbers. So as you can see, if you share your details there, you'll get free insights for a whole year, 12 months, so it could be very useful, particularly if you're thinking of a change of career. Okay, so you can even see the top paying locations, similar jobs currently being advertised. So I hope that's been helpful. That's the salary section on LinkedIn. And as I say, if you unlock by putting in your salary as part of the service, then you'll be able to get 12 months of access to all of the details. That's it from me. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.